How to be an influential thought leader in your industry. When you think of a leader, you might think of a manager or perhaps some kind of political leader. Maybe your mind goes to military generals or tyrants from history. The word leader can mean many things, though, and in fact, it doesn't even have to mean that you are giving orders to anyone. A leader is simply someone who is ahead of the pack and who guides the way for everyone else, just like you might have a leader pulling ahead in a race. You might not be a manager, a tyrant, or even a parent then, but you can still be a thought leader and help guide the way for others. If you are a blogger or an entrepreneur, then this is a powerful aim to have, as it will allow you to influence the hearts and minds of the general public, potentially selling more products and helping to create trends. It's also possible for an entire business to be a thought leader in this way. So how does one become a thought leader? How do you become the influencer that everyone is listening to? The answer lies in what we've already said. You need to lead the way. That means you need to either be the best or you need to be original. Let's imagine that you have a health blog, for instance. If you make a health blog that is just like every other health blog on the web, and that has all the exact same articles and posts, then there's no way that you're going to be considered a thought leader. You're simply copying a tried and tested formula. In this case, you are a thought follower. But if you come up with your own ideas on fitness, if you find new ways to exercise, or put a new spin on your blog to appeal to a different audience, then you will be novel enough to stand out. That's when people will start to follow. And that's when you become the thought leader. The other way to do this is simply to be the biggest and the best resource. But that requires a lot more manpower and investment to accomplish. Being unique is better. Before you can do any of this, though, you first need to find your passion. Unless you are passionate about the industry you are in, you will never be able to blaze that trail.